Hi everyone. Today we're showing you how to seamlessly integrate your Atlassian Confluence guides with Microsoft Teams using the Jira Connector. Let's get started. The goal here is to create a dedicated Microsoft Teams channel for a specific product, allowing us to track changes to our guides directly within Teams. We're setting up notifications for page creation and updates. These notifications will only trigger for a particular space. In this case, our Microsoft Teams Jira Connector space. But we're narrowing it down even further. We want to focus on a subspace within the same product space. This is crucial because we use the same space for multiple products. For our cloud product, we have a parent page. We'll filter notifications to only include pages under this parent page. This ensures we only track changes relevant to our cloud product. Next, we assign the notifications to our Docs team, which handles all our apps. We'll name it clearly so everyone knows what's being tracked. And that's it. Now we receive real-time Microsoft Teams notifications for pages created or updated in a specific section of our Confluence space. Perfect for keeping an audit trail of our public guides. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tech tips.